Hello my dear friends and welcome to my channel. In this video you gotta know more about Podia and you will dive into the email features of that platform. So what Podia is? It is a platform that lets you run your entire businesses, including your website, your blogs, links in bio, digital products, courses, community affiliates, customers, email, and so on and so forth in one place, and all these features are under one roof. Yes, and you can control them. So yes, stay tuned to discover more about the email features. I will show you it from the inside, from my account, what forms, what templates, and what other features of email are there in Podia. So, traditionally, I ask you to check out the description box below this video because all the important links are below this video. Check them out, follow the links to get Podia active for yourself. Shortly speaking about Podia and what is possible to do with that, yes, free website in the next 10 minutes, sell straight from your website, no code or design skills are needed, make your website feel like you, email marketing, I will go deeper into that. You can sell courses, coaching, ebooks, and webinars, the community that you want without worrying about integrations or the algorithm. And yes, you can sign up for free. You can start off by using templates, Podia email templates, a beautiful starting point. Yes, you will have something like this in your personal cabinet, and you will be able to send these emails to your subscribers or to your customers or to whatever list of email contacts that you have. Yes, you can send professional looking emails in just three steps. So step number one, pick from 12 professional design templates. Add your content, yes, and then customize your colors, fonts, and images in a few clicks. Make custom templates to use whenever you want. Moreover, you can adjust the style, type your message, then you can add photos, videos, buttons, and file downloads to bring your email to life. Yes, pretty easy to do. And yeah. And yes, you can have sign up forms automatically linked to your website, products, and email list. So yes, you can choose the forms and choose out of the forms that Podia provides. Landing pages, lead magnets, footer forms, and opt-in sections. Save your favorite forms and reuse them across your site. And yes, there are variations. Moreover, you get email analytics, newsletter, which is a must-have right now, and you can customize it as well. Automations, you can automate your emails, and segmentation. You can choose the specific groups by dividing them by different categories: age, the origin, location, interest, so on and so forth. Yes, that's how it works. I'm in my personal cabinet. And here I have my activity to be shown up. You have some tips how to start up. And yes, you can see the site, products, categories, community, and email. That's exactly what I need. So I start a campaign. And here is an email. You can type in the name of the letter, then you type in the subject, then you type in a preview text, then you type in from who, and you can set up custom email address. Recipients, you can choose the segment. I mentioned you this feature. And yes, subscribers, members, so on and so forth. And we can get more information about segmentations. So how you can do this? Yes, you can create your audiences. This is pretty easy to do, and you just have to specify by what group you segment your audience. And yes, you can have filters, but choose a starting point. you have pre-made templates to choose from. And here they are. As you can see, there is a variety to choose. So I chose this template, and as you can see, you can edit every part of it. You can type in any text, and blah 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 blah. Right here you have another text, and you can edit it as well. So you can customize the text settings, horizontal padding, or like whatever you want, vertical padding, corners, and section, and choose the coloring. Yeah. Heading, for example, for text, it's gonna be this color. For links, it's gonna be this. And section like this. You see, it's all customizable. I'm just doing it for you so you can see how it works. So what else? The general settings. Yes, you can choose the sides, the coloring for it, width, make it as wide as possible, vertical padding, background, vertical padding for sections, yeah, like this, and horizontal. Okay, let's go further. Fonts, of course, we can choose the sides, the coloring, so on and so forth. Links, the color, paragraphs, let it be like this, so you can choose the type of your font, and headings, so on and so forth. As you can see, this is something that you can add. You can delete this video and add another one with no problem. You can add sections, and that section is up to you what to do with it. Yeah. So as you can see, there is a lot of sections that you can add. Let it be video section. Yeah, it's gonna be right there where I inserted the box. Then you type in the link, choose image as search image, again options, and many other stuff. Okay, you can have buttons edited, or dividers. For example, again, you add the box and you can add a column, feature, file, socials button, like a button. Yeah, content button, and it will get you to your website, for example, or for a new campaign, or like some promotional campaign that you have. So yes, and after you are done, you insert all the information that is important, and then you are done. Guys, that's easy to do. Try it out. It will make the life of your business or the company that you work at really easy and useful. And the most important thing, that it optimizes all the processes on one platform. So check out the links below this video. It will help you out to sign up for free, and use it out, and take care.